Alright, YouTube, here's the deal. We got the Vive for Christmas and it just wasn't working. We went through all the problems. We had the 208 error code, we had the 400 error code, can't find the headset, can't find this, can't find that, all kinds of error messages. I searched, I'm sure just like you did, on everything, tried to find what was wrong, tried different cables, went to Best Buy, wound up getting a brand new laptop, and it's the Alienware. It's got the 1070 nvidia card. Could not find the fix. Went on all the support pages, and today we finally fixed the problem, and hopefully this can help you guys out too. What I found out, I ordered a micro DisplayPort cable. First I bought one from Staples and it didn't work. I don't know if it was the quality or what, but I ordered one off of Amazon, the micro display to micro display, which will fit the laptop, and the other port that they give you has a spot for it on the back side. It's this cable right here. So I went in, and I'm not sure if it was a combination of everything or just one of the things, but what I did was I updated the nvidia driver on the nvidia website, which rebooted my PC. I also went on, it's an Alienware, I went on Dell's website and updated all their drivers. I searched for my particular computer and updated it. It did an update for some drivers. So between that, now I got it running. I tried the HDMI cable plugged directly into the back. I tried different USB ports, different USB cables, different HDMI cables. I got every error that there was. It was working on off. I did the whole USB, uninstall USB ports and reinstall them. It would work temporarily. I'd shut it down, go back to it, same error messages. So I just want to let you know that this cable from Amazon, the micro display port to micro display port on the back, which goes right here, was working, and I'm running it with no HDMI cable at all. The HDMI cable is in here going to the headset, no HDMI cable going to my laptop. I believe that the HDMI cable doesn't go to the NVIDIA graphics card. It actually goes to the hard drive or the motherboard. Now we're up and running. We got our lovely green lights. We got our green light on our headset, and we got a happy 8-year-old. So we're all set. Hopefully this helps somebody out, and good luck. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I'll also put a link to that cord from Amazon for the micro display port to the micro display port, and give that a try, because I was at my last wits. Everything was going back. I thought I had a faulty headset, I thought I had faulty cables, and I thought I had a faulty laptop, and none of it was that. I just upgraded all my drivers on the NVIDIA site. They're right there. You can search your own computer for what graphics card you got, update it, and update your computer, and use the micro DP cable. The link will be down below. If you have any other questions, maybe I'll be able to help. Take it easy.